So how do you subscribe to the Xbox Game Pass in your Android? Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So the Xbox naturally belongs to the Microsoft Xbox company, right? So you can just get that app from the Play Store. You can literally just look up Xbox right there. And this is what you need to download. So you get the official application and you have to sign in with your account. It's very likely that you have one already because it uses the Microsoft account. So if you have used the, I don't know, the Microsoft 365 or Word, PowerPoint, and so on, you can use the very same account to log in here. But you go through these options below, you can see a couple of buttons at the bottom right there. But in at the bottom right corner, in at the tab bar, we have the Game Pass. And you can tap on it and see the plans selection. So when I view all plans, it's going to give me the ability to go with the Ultimate or Premium, Essential, PC. So these options are currently available for me. And this is what I can decide to join. So let's say I'm going to click on the first one. I'll click on join now, and I can just confirm it a few times. So when I click on join again, it moves me over into the payment method or payment processing app. So you can see that in order to get started, I need to add a way to pay. So when I click on the plus button, I need to set up a payment method. So this might be a credit or a debit card, some kind of e-wallet, which as you can see is PayPal, for example, or you can redeem a gift card if you wanted to. And when you set up the payment method, you can just continue with it and you will have the ability to subscribe to the Game Pass and have access to all of the features there. So that might be something which you might be interested in, and hopefully it does work just the same way for you as well. If there are any complications or anything going on, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. Just let me know what's going on. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.